guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami boat. So first fold the paper in half. Then again fold the paper in half. Then open the paper. So as you can see, we have two sides. One is the opening side and one is the close side. So we're just going to do an airplane fold on the close side. Like this. And we're going to push this up, like this, and do the same on the other side till it meets this point. Then just fold this piece of the paper down here, and do the same with this piece of the paper. Fold it down here, something like this. And do the same on this side. Fold this paper here, and do the same here. Then open this piece of the paper and then this do like this. Now fold this up and do the same on the other side. Fold this up as well. Then open this side and do something like this, and open this up. So here's the paper boat. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe.